Looking for a free and beginner-friendly video editing software? Well, you're in the right place. In the realm of digital content creation, video editing is a crucial skill that can transform raw footage into a captivating story. That's where CapCut comes into play. This free software is packed with features that make it an ideal choice for beginners. From a user-friendly interface to a range of powerful editing tools, CapCut is crafted to make your editing journey smooth and enjoyable. Whether it's trimming and splitting clips, adding effects and filters, or enhancing video quality, CapCut has got you covered. Plus, with options for adding text and titles, audio editing, and even exporting and sharing your videos, it's a one-stop shop for all your editing needs. And the best part, you don't need any prior editing experience to start creating professional-looking videos with CapCut. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of CapCut. First things first, understanding the CapCut interface. Picture it as your own personal cockpit, where you take control of your video editing journey. The main components are the timeline, toolbars, and menus. Let's start with the timeline, located at the bottom. This is where you'll arrange and edit your video clips. Next, we have the toolbars. They are found on the left and right sides of the screen, housing tools for adding effects, filters, and transitions. Now the menu bar sits at the top of the screen. It's your go-to spot for file management, software settings, and help resources. Navigating through these sections is as simple as a tap or click, depending on your device. The layout is intuitive, and each tool has a clear label so you're never left guessing. Remember, it's all about exploration and practice, so don't be afraid to click around and see what happens. Now that you've got the hang of the interface, it's time to import your first video clip. Ready to start editing? Let's get to it. After launching CapCut, the first thing you'll want to do is import a video clip. Just click on the new project icon, then select the footage you want to work with. Once imported, your clip will appear in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's say you want to trim your video. To do this, select your clip and drag the handles at either end. This will adjust the start and end points of your video, effectively trimming it down to the desired length. But what if you need to split your video into separate sections? Easy. Just position the playhead where you want to split, then click on the split icon. Voila! Your clip is now divided into two separate parts. Reordering your clips is also a breeze. Simply tap and hold on a clip, then drag it to its new position in the timeline. You'll see a placeholder showing where the clip will be placed, so you can get it just right. And don't worry about making mistakes. CapCut's handy undo and redo functions are there to help. Made a change you don't like? Just hit undo. Want to bring back a change you undid? Click on redo. It's as simple as that. With these basic techniques, you've already taken your first steps into video editing, but there's more. So stick around as we delve deeper into the world of video editing with CapCut. Want to add some flair to your video? CapCut has got you covered. Let's dive right into adding effects. CapCut offers a plethora of effects to choose from, ranging from simple color enhancements to complex cinematic overlays. To add an effect, just select your clip and tap on the Effects button. Then scroll through the options and tap on an effect to apply it. Remember, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by using the slider that appears. Now let's talk transitions. A transition is a fantastic way to move smoothly from one clip to the next. To add a transition in CapCut, you'll want to select the area between two clips. Then, click on the Transitions button and browse through the available options. Once you've found a transition you like, simply click on it to apply. Adding text and titles is a breeze with CapCut. To add text, select the portion of the video where you want the text to appear. Then, hit the text button. From there, you can type your text, adjust its size, position, and even change the font. If you want to add a title, just follow the same steps and choose from the title presets available. These features allow you to add a personal touch and make your video stand out. So feel free to experiment and find what suits your style best. And just like that, your video has gone from plain to captivating. But wait, there's still one more thing to cover. What's a video without good audio, right? So, let's dive into audio editing in CapCut. You can add music to your video from the CapCut library or import your own tracks. Once you've chosen your music, you can adjust the volume to balance it with your original audio. Now, what about sound effects? CapCut has you covered with an array of sounds to choose from. Aside from audio, we can enhance our video quality. CapCut has a range of tools that can help you adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. You can also apply filters to give your video a unique feel. Finally, it's time to give your video some final touches. Maybe you want to add a title at the end or include credits. You can easily do this in CapCut. Now don't forget to review your masterpiece one last time, ensuring everything is just as you envisioned. Now that your video is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Finished editing? Let's get your masterpiece out there. Now, exporting videos in CapCut is a breeze. Head over to the Export button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can choose the resolution and frame rate that best suits your needs. Whether it's a high-definition masterpiece or a quick, low-res clip for social media, CapCut's got you covered. Now, let's talk about sharing. CapCut has made it super easy to share your videos directly from the app. Just tap on the Share button after exporting your video. From here, you can choose from a variety of platforms, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or any other. Just select the platform, follow the prompts, and voila! Your video is out there for the world to see. And there you have it, your first video edited in CapCut. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun.